Hi, welcome to Civil Connection channel. If you are watching the videos continuously and haven't subscribed, subscribe it and press the bell button. So when I upload the videos, you may get the notification and you can enjoy watching it. Now we are going to see about mirror command. So what is mirror command? We know that mirror. What is mirror? What we are showing, that is what is in front of mirror will be shown in the reflection. Okay, that is correctly opposite of, if it is right side, it will be shown as left side. In that way will be shown in the mirror. The same concept we are going to draw the diagram. Okay, so for that I shall draw a line. I shall draw the yield line pattern here. Okay, how it is be drawn. So I have drawn a one line. I shall rotate it through the base point 45 degree. So I shall provide it here. Okay, if you know, for mirror we need to know the center point for which we are going to mirror it. So if that will be very easy for us to mirror correctly 90 degree or 180 degree correctly we can mirror it, or else there will be some the line will be inclined, so the mirror line will be inclined, so that correctly mirror shape cannot be achieved. Okay, so I shall show this by without knowing the midpoint, how there is some corrections and how we need to mirror it. Okay, so for that mirror you can use the command mirror MIRROR or MI, short form MI, or you can go with this home tab in modify toolbar. You can see this mirror, that is second row, second one, it is the mirror. Okay, so first I shall use the mirror command. For this you need to select the object to be mirrored. So this is the object I am going to mirror, so I have selected it. So enter. So this is the midpoint, that is midpoint of the line through which I need to mirror it, so that this corner point will reach this point. Okay, I shall show here midpoint and I am moving here straightly. Better choose ortho to form correctly the point. Okay, or else you see here, if this line is inclined, it will be having, the line will get rotated. So we don't know where this end point will be. It should be here. Okay, if I have chose this point here, how this mirror point has been moved here. So there is a difference. Okay, for yield line pattern I am moving here. Okay, so it is asking whether the source point you need to keep it or not. Yes, I need to keep the source point. So I know there is source point. No. Okay, similarly the same I need to mirror it. So MI. So this is the center point of this line. I am choosing it here. And if it is ortho, correctly will be matched. Okay, this no. This is the yield line pattern. How we know the center point, and then you can draw the mirror point. Okay, so this is value. If we are not choosing the midpoint, what will happen? We can see that. Okay, I shall choose this as again point. Specify the first point for a mirror line. So I choose it here. Don't know where the mirror comes, so you can zoom here. See here, you don't know so this will be the midpoint. What is the point I have chosen? It is the midpoint of the line. So if you know the point where you need to choose the midpoint, that will be the mirror line. It will be comfortable for us for drawing. So you need to know the midpoint of the midpoint between the reflection and the object. Okay, that will be the mirror line. So I have chosen the midline for this lines. Okay. Thanks for watching the channel. If you like, press the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed it, subscribe it. You can share with the friends, and if you have any comments regarding the video, you can comment it in the comment section. Thank you.